Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a daily dash. It is, what is it, August 7th? It is plus $3 peak pay until 9 o'clock. It's pretty damn good. So I feel like I'm gonna go make some money, and I'm actually gonna seriously dash. We're gonna go head over to the outlet mall, which is somewhere I actually have not headed over to for a while for the daily dash, but we're gonna head over to the outlet mall because I feel like that's the best place to get all of the orders. Because whenever you're out at an outlet mall, there's definitely tons of restaurants all within a little tiny area. So let's head on over there. Plus $3. You know what that means? Is the cheapest Doordash can be to me is $5.25. That's the absolute cheapest order. I've actually been logged in for 30 minutes, but I haven't gotten a single order yet, which is kind of like weird. You know, normally when you're logged in for 30 minutes, you at least get one order in. I feel like at this point, I would almost accept anything. But I don't know, maybe they're giving all the orders to the top dashers, who knows. But today we are talking about the Doordash strike that I think would actually be effective, and it actually could work. So a lot of people got on their high horses when I said I wasn't gonna do the whole Doordash strike thing on July 31st. That was kind of a dumb idea, but I do have some good ideas for you guys. If you want to get a actual strike organized, this is my plan. And if you guys are in the San Francisco area, or you would be willing to travel to San Francisco, head on over to the Rich Driver, Poor Driver Facebook group. That is my Facebook group on Facebook, obviously, because it's on Facebook. That's my Facebook group. Head on over there, add yourself to the group, and if y'all want to get an actual strike going, we're gonna go with all the signs and everything to San Francisco headquarters of Doordash, and we're gonna freaking cough all over the place because these guys. I'm just kidding. We're not going to do that. I mean, I probably will, but yeah, we're just going to, if you guys want to actually get this done, I'm willing to drive to San Francisco to get it done, and we'll do an actual strike. We'll contact all of the news stations and all of that good stuff and get this strike actually organized and actually stand out there. I don't know if it's a strike or if it's a protest or whatever you would call it. I guess it's more of a protest, but anyways, I think the only way anything's going to actually get done is if we contact some news places, we get some organization going, get some people to actually show up to the Doordash headquarters where Tony Shue's going to freaking lose his mind, and we stand out there and scream things like, I don't know, what'd you say? I don't know. What would you guys say, actually? I don't even know. I've never been to a protest before, to be honest. So I'm sure we could think of some good slogans to say. But it would be tip transparency and low paying orders are the things that I think we should actually focus on. Because I think if anyone got word that their Doordash drivers were getting paid $2.25 to deliver food, I think they would all be a little alarmed and like, hey, what? That's not right. That's like less than a waiter would make, and a waiter like doesn't even have to like drive their own car or anything, you know? Waiters actually get paid decent wage. I think it's never like minimum wage, they get paid a decent wage or something. I don't know actually. But yeah, so if you guys want to, add yourself there on the Rich Driver Facebook group. I'm gonna make I'm gonna post. Whoa! Caught it! I got it! I got the camera! We almost lost you guys for a second. That would have been horrible if I broke my camera. That would have been Doordash striking back. If I would have broke my camera while I'm trying to organize a protest on YouTube, my camera just breaks. Anyway, so again, if you guys want to, and if you guys are actually into the idea, I don't know how many of my subscribers, let me know, where are you guys located? So first of all, that's my question to the audience today. Where are you guys located? What city? What state? Let me know where you guys are located. Obviously, I'm in Las Vegas. I'm from Los Angeles, though. I'm going to be driving down to Los Angeles next week to train with Tony Ferguson and talk about the new shoes to the business partners and stuff. I think there is a headquarters in Los Angeles, but I'm not really sure. I don't think so, because I Googled it yesterday, and it said that it was permanently closed, but there was a DoorDash headquarters, and that would be significantly more convenient, because I feel like there's way more subscribers that I have that are in the Los Angeles area. But I don't know. So let me know what city and state you guys are in. Let me know if you guys would actually be down for it. And if you guys are actually down for it, add yourself to the Rich Driver, Poor Driver Facebook group. Anyways, all right. So it's been about 35-40 minutes. We have not gotten a single order. I think this is DoorDash striking back because they know I wanted to come out and make some actual money today. Like, it's rare that I actually go out and I do like full-time dashing like this. Just so you guys know, I'm not actually looking at the camera. I don't know if you can see my eyeballs, but I'm actually not looking at the camera. But it would be awkward if I was like this, and it's just kind of like a weird look because I'm driving, obviously, on the freeway. But, excuse me. Anyways, all right, be right back when we get an order. Aw, yeah, raising canes, baby. We're gonna raise some canes up in this biatch. What is it, 4 miles or so for $8.75, which means there could actually be a post tip because that's $2 a mile. And we know that whenever there's $2 a mile, it could be a post tip. So we're gonna go to Raising Cane's, which is someplace that I have not ate in a really long time. And honestly, I'm kind of hungry. I might order some Raising Cane's for myself while I'm in line. Maybe. All right, anyways. Be right back. Let's get this Raising Cane's going. Bam. All right, so we are going to add on an additional order, which is only $5 for 1.6 miles. I don't know if that can have a post tip because it's only $5, but it is like almost $4 a mile, so maybe it can, but I don't think it would. And if there's a I hate how DoorDash can add on orders and not give you the base pay, because obviously if there's a plus $3, that means that each order should at least pay $5.25. So how am I getting one that's $5? But I'm not going to turn down an extra $5 for 1.6 miles. So yeah, anyways, that's what we're going to do. I'll be right back because this line is long. It's very long. Alright, we got him, but I got my own 3-finger combo. So basically I'm breaking even on this order, but it's okay because I haven't had Raising Cane since the last time I was in Las Vegas before the whole Reno contract. So it's been about 4 months and I'm really hungry. And I've been eating very healthy lately. I've basically just been eating salmon, steak, and chicken and vegetables because I'm on a diet and I'm trying to lose weight, but freaking Cane's got me, man. But it smells so damn good, so it's like, I don't know, it's not that unhealthy, right? Tell me, it's not that unhealthy. What's your guys' favorite fast food restaurant? Comment down below. Let me know what's the one that's like, when you're doing delivery and you go to it and it's like, oh man, I gotta order this place. For me, it's probably Raising Cane's, not gonna lie. I always end up ordering something here. Irresponsible. Anyways, all right, be right back. We got to pick up Chicago 6 wings. I bet you this is a wing place. All right, screw this place. Chicago 6 wing. This place sucks. There's like a gigantic line. I sat in the drive-thru for 10 minutes. They didn't even acknowledge that I was there. The moment I drive away, all of a sudden someone pulls on the drive-thru. They answer them right away. I go inside of the store. There's like 15 people just standing around. No one's even taking their orders or anything. So I'm like, all right, I'm out of here. This place clearly. Anyways, we're just gonna drop off this order, and it's really freaking annoying because I have to like contact DoorDash support just to get rid of this 6 wings order. So one of those times where you just write a mental note to probably never go to that store again. Anytime you sit in a drive-thru for 10 minutes and no one comes to your order, and then you drive up to the actual window, no one acknowledges you, like, and they're walking by the order or by the window. It's like, come on, like, what is going on? This is one of those ones where you mark it off in your notebook, your mental notebook, to never go back to that store. That's what I'm gonna do. But anyways, all right, I gotta freaking talk to blah 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 blah. So jeez, so annoying talking to these customer service people. All right, anyways, be right back. I gotta drive. Let's go. All right, not gonna lie, even though I got a post tip of 25 cents, got a whole 25 cents extra, got $8.75. That order took about an hour. So I literally made less than $9 in an hour, and I drove quite a while, it seemed like. But I don't know, man. This is why I have not been doing much Doordash lately, because it just seems like, I don't know, it doesn't pay very well lately. I don't know what it is. Just seems like the pay has just been going down, and I've been making less and less money every time I dash. So I'm probably gonna wrap up today's video right there, because honestly, unless I get an order that takes me perfectly to the gym, I'm not doing it. So if you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider subscribing, and if you guys haven't yet, make sure you smash that thumbs up for me. Thanks. I gotta make a left turn onto a very busy street, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I know I already ended the video, but I just have to point this out. As soon as I ended that video and turned left, got an order from China A Go-Go, $9.50, and it literally delivers. Like, the UFC gym that I'm literally going to is right there. It's right there. It's like in the same parking lot. As I said, unless I get an order that takes me perfectly to the gym, that don't work, then I would take it. So we got it. We got what we asked for. Anyways, thank you Doordash gods for giving me another order. And all right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.